Well, here's day one after Hurricane Beryl. We got a lot of fences down all over the neighborhood, really. A lot of tree limbs, a lot of cleaning up to do, but all in all, we're probably some of the luckier ones in the neighborhood. After some of the other damage I've seen out there, I'm kind of considering myself lucky. Well, we got to get all this mess cleaned up before we could even get the bait cave back open. I hope my voice is coming over this, the sound of the generator running. I probably should have turned that off. Hopefully y'all can hear me way out here. That basketball goal is toast. This is actually day 3. We got the fences all temporarily propped back up. Me and my neighbors. Got some really good neighbors helping. Where everybody's chipping in this neighborhood is really, really cool to see. We're pretty happy with the progress of the backyard. The front yard's finished. And then I don't think we're going to do too much more back here until Lowe's and Home Depot get back to normal schedules. So I can buy some building materials and other things to clean up. We've been doing a lot of grilling just to keep the heat out of the house because we're still on a generator. We got this window unit that actually keeps things pretty cool, but we don't want to overburden it, you know. And it looks like we got to notice that we're probably going to be on generator for at least another week. There's the actual condition of the bait cave right now. It has just become a catch-all for anything and everything. I can't wait to get things going again. Be looking forward to getting some videos out to you guys. They're saying our power won't be back on to the 19th, but I do have some stuff I can do with on generator. Like I can bag and tag some of this stuff. Look at this mess back here in this corner. Everything just kind of got pushed in here real quick, like when we realized the storm was coming our way. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. According to the last message I saw, we got probably 5 more days. Well, they said to the 19th, so in 5 days, that'll be the 19th. Hopefully they're right about that and we get our power back on. Well, thanks for watching. As always, I'm the old tired veteran. You guys stay safe out there. I'll be looking forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.